Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving apps permission to appear on top. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special App Access, and tap Display over other apps. Grant the toggle for the apps you plan to float. This is required so Android lets an app draw a window over others. Once done, make sure those apps are allowed background activity and notifications, because MIUI may restrict floating windows when an app is suspended. Now you're ready to create the first floating window. You open the app, then bring up Recents, long press the app card or its icon to reveal the floating window option. Tap Open in Floating Window and the app will become a movable, resizable overlay. Use the corner drag handles to resize, drag the header to move, and tap the three-dot menu for more options like Pin, Expand, or Convert to Split Screen. If an app supports picture-in-picture, you can use that too. These controls let you multitask. You finish by customizing behavior in Settings. Look for Home Screen and Recents or floating windows to set default size, gestures, and auto-minimize. When you're done with a float, use Minimize to send it to the shelf, or tap Expand to return it to full screen. If floating windows stop working, check Overlay Permissions again, disable battery optimization for that app, and reboot. Often MIUI Power Manager or a recent update revokes overlay access. If problems persist, update the system and app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.